Hi, my name is Troy Schwen and I'm President and CEO of Automation Components, and today I'm asking for your help. I'm asking for your help to fight cancer. I'm asking for your donations to help fight this dreaded disease. I do want you to know that every dollar that you commit, I will match it dollar for dollar. Over the last 12 years, ACI has raised over $150,000 over our benefit. We are trying to raise $500,000 over the next 5 years for the UW Carbone Cancer Center. This will be matched by a very generous family, making a professorship that we are starting up worth $1 million. I want to say thank you for all of you who have donated, and for those who are donating for the first time, helping us with this fight from the heart. Thank you very much from myself and from all the employees here at ACI.